Hey everybody, Crazy Grandma here. Welcome back. Today I thought I would do a layout and share it with you. I hope these videos are helping you. If you like them, please hit the like button, subscribe button, share them. Leave something in the comments. Let me know, how everything's doing. Maybe a picture of your layouts and that kind of stuff. I love sharing with you guys. So I have my paper, just like I'd said in another video in case you haven't seen it. I do take a page protector and I cut the edges of it off, and I cut my paper and I lay it in here so that I can see how I want my paper laid out. And then when I know how I get it laid out, then is when I come up and glue it all down. It saves me a lot of time. And this paper here, I cut it down to, oh, let's see, let me measure it the right way. It's 10 by 10, I believe. This was a piece of scrap. I actually used a piece of this off of something else, strips of it on something else. So this is a 10 by 10 piece of paper. And the paper I have in the bottom is just a thin piece of paper from, I believe, Hobby Lobby. It's a thin piece. And this is an Echo Park paper here. And if I can find it, I will try to link it down below for you. I hope that's not making too big of a glare. So anyway, so what I'm going to do is my pictures I'm going to put here. This is my oldest granddaughter. Not my oldest, my second oldest granddaughter. And they were playing in the rain. Let me put it the right direction. There we go. I'm gonna put these up here. And then I have a tag because I wanted to bring out some of this pink that's in here. To be able to bring out some of the blue, I have a border strip that I'm going to use, and I did cut it down to 10 inches. So I'm going to put that something like this. I haven't decided if I'm going to map my pictures yet. I probably will, but I'm not sure what color. So look in the end of the video to see how I decide to do that. So anyway, I'm going to put this here. The page maps is the sketch that I'm going to be using. And so this is the way she did her layout and the papers and that kind of thing on hers. So when I do this, I mainly just look at how the papers are lined up, maybe where she has the embellishments, and kind of get an idea of how I want to lay mine out. So if I can locate this, I will leave it in the description as well. So I don't buy tons of stickers, only because I have trouble finding some of the ones that I want to use. And it's just when I want to do a layout, I just can't seem to find what I'm looking for. So that being said, I print and cut and do a fussy cut. I do have a Cricut, so I do use mine, but some of them I do cut out. And I use printable vinyl is what I use, and I will leave that in the description as well if I can find some. So I'm going to put these rain boots down at the bottom. And I have this little tag that did come with something else that I'm going to put here. And I think I'm just going to put it here. Then it just says, I love this. This allows me to put the stickers on the paper, move them around if I want to. And then when I get ready to put it down, I know exactly how I want it to look. So then I have this cat is another print and cut one that I've done. And I think I'm going to put this over here. And to be able to bring out this pink, I did find something similar. It's not the exact, but they're not going to be close to each other. So to me, I think it's going to look fine. And I have this embellishment tag, and this is an old one. I don't remember where it came from, guys. It just says Singing in the Rain. So I'm going to put this little guy here. This is going to be where my journaling goes. I have, this is from Echo Park as well, these little stickers things here. These chipboard. And it says So Much Fun that I'm going to put, I think, here. My title, I did in that same color pink that's here underneath this mat. And I may end up matting my photos in that just to kind of bring them around, unless I decide I need a little bit more pop of color of some other kind. But it says Rainy Day Explorers, and I'm going to put that up at the top. Now for here, I wanted to dress this tag up here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this. This is another cat. It looks like he's playing in the rain with an umbrella, and I'm going to look like he's kind of falling with an umbrella right there. So I'm going to put that there. And I think that's all I'm going to do. It's cute, decorated, but simple. So I'm going to put all this together. I'll have pictures at the end. You guys, if you need anything or if you have any questions, please leave it down in the comments, and I will talk to you guys soon. Bye, everybody.